doesn't work. Bruh, come on. I have to do this without the mic. Fucking shit. The wrong name. Okay. So what else do I want to do tonight? What else should I do tonight? So I think I should do a little bit of yeah, work on the threading thing. So it's zeros. What? Oh. Okay. Input. I think let's read the documentation of input. Not this. Okay. Basically something like this, right? With this, you'll get this. Okay. We don't really have a mouse here, so let's just do inputs up here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so basically what I want is that we have a thread of inputs automatically handled by the Pi input, and we have, and based on the input, it does something. Which is events. Based on the input, triggers events. I don't know how to do this really, because I don't really know how to do it much. Like, keep a type of word. Okay, this is not what we want. I think this is it. Collect events until key release. Okay, so I don't think this is events. I don't think events is the right word for it. Maybe calls function with args. This is the thing that is used for it. So basically, yeah, we defined this thing right here. It can be anything, but when it's pressed, prints out that. I think with width is it just calls it once, but I think because it's a thread, it runs continuously. You know, also this returns false, so it might actually stop this now. Return false. Okay. Okay. The internet is following common hotkeys. Okay. Let's, for my sanity's sake, okay, so it's by input. Keyboard. Okay, why is this like this? We don't have by input. Let's just, well, content prompt. Yeah, successfully installed. Cool. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I'm using something else. Okay. Let's use. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the hell? Python is not available in this environment. Automatically installed upon selecting it. Okay, install it, fucker. Installing Python into the environment. Why is it not installed? It should be installed. Bruh. Okay. Should be installed. This is, why is this like this? Okay. Why is it like this? Isn't that pinput from the keyboard? Why is it not getting it? Keyboard does not exist. It should be, I think it's this. Okay, so yeah. I don't know why. It should be fine. Keyboard, this one. Same thing. It's not doing it. I don't, it's not. It's fucked. It happens to be like last time as well. I think we need to do something like this. I don't. Okay, let's just copy this entire thing. See what happens. Nothing. Oh. It's a hello world apparently. This is just, yeah. Keyboard press this. Keyboard. Why is this? Oh man, come on. Quick fix. Don't ignore this. It should be good. What the hell's going on? It's doing good, bro. It was doing good. What the hell? Cool. This is. This is like a actual inputs. The fucking thing gets a space, release that. What if we just do press? Well, it doesn't release. So this is cool. We can create script out of this. It's the controllers, so it controls everything. What about the keys? So okay, so right. Shift A, key shift, so we don't have like a string right for this. So basically we need to specify it with the shift thing, which is cool. Learning every day. Okay, this is what we want. This is listener. We want listener instead. Yeah. Want this instead. Let's actually put this here. Terminals. Not just the terminal, but you know, everything as well. Oh my god, there's a lot of fucking mosquitoes. I think it's key escape that. Okay, cool. Shift that. Shift enter. Just this. This is cool. It listens to everything. Okay. What the fuck going on? Okay. Yeah. So what happens basically on press? It prints out whatever the fuck it is. Attribute error special key. So I don't know. It needs errors. This key 0 format, which is the key. So yeah, key to char. Okay. Key 0. Okay. On release, basically. I don't know what this means. Key pressed, key release. Has pressed and release as well. Okay. Oops. Okay. Listens it created the object keyboard listener, and then with this as listener. So listener dot listener join. Join means what exactly? I don't know what join means. I can't hit shit. I don't know what join means. Cure escape. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I can understand it. So just use this. It's okay. Using the key. How are you doing? How are we doing? So it's gonna be a little bit shaky here. So, my brain. Okay. So it has this two particular thing here, and it has this attribute yeah. It can just be any type of thing. Here, this is a listener. So for this, if anything returns a false, then it's if it returns a false, it just what does that mean? Returns a false, it just means that any key pressed should be yeah. If anything returns false, it's going to be released. What am I getting here? What about this? This is basically the exact same thing, but I don't know, how do you catch these? How do you catch threads? I think putting it here should work. Just returning it, changing the current state of things, I think. We could just use one of these, which will be the same, I think. Non-blocking facial with that as well. Start. I think. How do I do this again? I used to do it. Let's see. So yeah, I used to do it like this. Let's do it like this, right? Oops. So we have this right here, which is set to some place. Wait, string key? No, this is it. This is it. Okay. And then looper loop false, even though. So gives looper object false here, I think we could just do regular thing here. Okay, it's while on a while loop. Okay. So I think how do I do this? Oh, let's now press start. Okay. On press. Let's just do the exact same thing that I did before. So yeah, we print out the thing here. Let's see if this works or not. No, it doesn't. I don't know why. Do so. Start this thing here. Thing. Key. Press. What's going on with this? String key 1? The fuck? Oh, cause this? Excuse me? Oh, cause it's taking it as a key. Okay. But why is it not getting why is it not working in this case? So let's not start. Listen objects created. Okay. We need listener join. We don't. How does it calls this? Listens to this. On press, gives it the key thing. Here. I think it's gonna be anything. So press just fucking prints out E, for example. It doesn't do shit. Okay. The code works. Code works here. Okay. Code should work. What? I don't get it. What the hell is going on? Happens to me before, bruh. I can't set this like this. I don't know. Listener? Oh, I need a listener type. Keyboard, import, listener. There we go. No. Keyboard, import listener. 21? The fuck? Okay. Listener. Okay, keyboard, listener, everything good. I'm just gonna copy and paste this stuff that I did before. So, What did I do here that fucked things up? What did I do? I did this. And it starts, it's not join. Listener object, and it's start listening. Apparently this does not exist. It's in Python, bro. See, it's fine here. What the fuck is going on with this? It has Python. Yeah? I'm using this, right? It has Python. Oh my god, what the fuck is happening with this thing? Conda list or something? What the hell's going on? Conda exit? Conda quit? Conda exit? Rug. Conda list. Conda base. Activate. Base. Deactivate? Rogue CLI. Yes, it's supposed to list, yeah, everything here. Conda, Conda, how do we know the environments? Conda env list. Like this shit has Python, right? Like STUP. Let me know. Literally have Python installed, yet this doesn't even have Python installed when I fucking installed it on Rogue. Oh my god, Conda. CLI. Conda install Python. It has Python, you fuck. Oh my god, why doesn't. Yes! Did I do something to mess it up? It should have Python installed already. It's done, executing done, everything done. There we go, Python. At least, bro. At the very least. Am I using anything else? So let's pip install the fine put here. Should work, come on. There we go. Ah. This probably won't work, but hey, if it does, it's great. Final press. Let's just say it just prints something, even though it's okay, still doesn't. It's fine. Does it need to have keys passed in it? A Q? Nope. I don't know how to do this. Really. Really don't. I don't know how. Why does this work then? Starting this. Why does this work? Ah, man. Man, oh man. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just see what happens here. Yeah. If I remove this, does this work? Nope. This doesn't work. Non-blocking fashion. What does that mean? This is blocking, right? I guess if I do join, it should work. Or something like that. Nope. It needs to start first. This not equals that. Start this not join. Box it until it terminates with a normal to unhandled exception. Okay, so okay. It needs to have join. Why does this? Oh, I guess because it's we started and we loop it. So under normal circumstances, this won't work unless we do like a for loop or something like that. Okay. So basically join just means this long text here. This block calling thread until the thread whose join called method terminates. So if it terminates, which if this means that it returns false or something, turn on hello or until the optional timeout occurs. Because when the timeout argument is present but none, it should be floating point number specific at the timeout application. Okay. Timeout here. When the timeout argument is present or none, the operation will block until the thread terminates. A thread can be joined many times. Why though? There's a runtime error if in the time may join current thread has caused a deadlock. Thread before it has been started attempts. Okay. This is really good documentation. Scout once per thread object arrange the object run method to invoke the separate thread control. This method is okay. Excuse me? Oh, this. Oh my god, it's it's fucking up. Okay, but well, does that like break my memory some? I don't know, but I think I'm guessing no. So yeah, I should really do. Well, what if we do special characters? Does it break? Does not break. Okay, cool. Fuck. Turn false. This should make it go away. Okay. What? Okay, if key pressed, if key is equals to, well, let's just print key, what happens? Ooh, something wrong happens. Print F key. I use printf instead of the format. Oh, I'm doing code, man. Fuck. Okay. Okay, when it returns false, it's that the key itself is I don't know what object this is. A string. Okay, it's a key code. Get stringified. Stringified. String. Okay, cool. What? Stringify the key. That's what I was doing before. It's like this. Yeah. If I want to put this in there, it would be something else. Yeah. It would make it would turn it into string, which fuck, man. It's fine. Okay. So returning false on this creates that. Let's just say we have a time, like a while loop. Sleep every 0.5 seconds. So let's just say we have some sort of integer. Let's do some iterator. Okay. When a key is pressed, what happens is, also let's say if this equals let's just say q. Okay, return false. So what happens is this should be iter plus equals 1. This is outside the scope of that, so let's involve iter here. Okay, no iter thing. Cool. What if we make it global? You're not supposed to do this. Global means, I don't know. So let's not do that. Equals 0. This can't pass this because this is outside the scope of it. like this even I need to get the looper object itself, which is inside, not inside the scope, but we call the looper object dot loop and then do something about it. So I might need to do that as well, like an event handler or something. Calls it event. Just like not event handler, something else. Like I don't think I'm saying this stuff right here. Not event handler, something like a trigger or something. Anyways, I might need to actually do this. Can we just create an object for this? Python just create objects. Python creates objects without without doing anything, for example. Yes, that class like that. Could create that as well. I don't know. Maybe you should call a function itself. But I think another function would be outside of the loop as well, out of reach. What it does, what it's not. Foo. So it does not. Ah, we could call a function to this. Just returns false. Oh yeah, this this as well. Anyways, this returns false. We can. Oh, this still needs to for example, we want something to happen here. Yeah, but we need to pass on arguments as well, right? So in order to pass the arguments, let's say bruh 0, for example. Bruh plus equals 1. Since bruh is out of the scope, we can we can't. We need to create an object for that as well. So well, you know, it's not what we want. Yeah, I think creating like an object is the simplest solution for this. So yeah, let's do that. Let's just say class foo, not class foo has was it class foo has what was it? None. Name some. So let's do loop equals true. And this then we can create a foo thing, like a bar thing, and then we can just loop if let's do error or something like that. iterator this. We can just bar this thing, bar dot iter plus equals 1. And for this we can just do print bar dot iter, and it'll be printing it. Okay. Also if q, let's do loop. Then false, but before that bar dot loop goes false, and then this is just gonna bar dot loop. Okay, we don't have that apparently. Why doesn't this work? Bottle loop is still true. What? Bottle loop is false in this case? False. I'm sorry, but shit doesn't start. In this, it's fucking. That's the thing. We don't need the join because we have already a loop here. Yeah. And then with Q, okay. So if we already have a loop, we don't need join, because join just means that we listen to until it returns a false, until or fucking right, okay, until it's yeah, until it stops. So just re fucking. I'm an insanely slow learner, bro. It's been like an hour already. Nothing, bro. Nothing. So yeah, it's basically that. I think we could do bar dot iter and so do bar loop. Every time we press something, it increased 12. Okay, which is great. We don't want that. We want while loop print bar. No. In this case, we need join because yeah. So we could basically get what bar is, you know, has it changed, has it not changed, you know, current button press, this what, yeah, we could implement some kind of movement in this scenario here. So let's create like a system for it, okay? we're done with this. Don't. Okay, so let's, for example, let's just code something. Again, I get a test. I always do tests, but this is an actual test. So yeah, let's import inputs. Should be fine. Nothing going on there. So if we call inputs right here, f equals inputs. So there's no object input, so it's gonna be like that. And if I do this, this is not doing anything. It's calling itself. Okay. What I want is for it to create the object itself. When we to create this as well. When we call the thing. Okay, basically class active inputs or just activate or listen. Can you just do that listen? We can use this. I think something else, right? Okay, so we can use that. And can we do this? So this is a class, so this is a class. Okay, we can use a class inside of class. So what if we wanted to call listen? So basically, let's just say f is equals to inputs dot listen, right? How does that work? Doesn't work much. Okay. Even though, well, it's part of the object, so it should really call it. No, it's just a part of the object. It doesn't actually mean that when we do this shit, it's DDD though. Okay. Since we don't have a join, I think it makes sense. So let's just listen to join. But this causes a loop. So instead we might do it inside of the game loop. So let's do while time, let's do time, import time. While true or something like that. So time.sleep for 1 second, 0.25 seconds. This should be fine. Okay, it quits and then this doesn't quit, so it's fine. From F as well, we can just get, no we can't because it's on a different thing. So this is on a different thing, right? Can you import foo or from inputs? what will happen? So basically, since we imported that, we have foo now. What the fuck? We have foo now because we imported foo as foo. Let's just say that. So we have foo now. We have foo. Let's just do foo. FG goes f the foo thing. So we have a g dot loop. Could this be it? Nope. Okay, I think we need to create the object for that as well. Nope. What should happen? What should happen? I want it to return a string. What I want is just for it to return the string, bro. The string that it's being pressed by. I just want that, bro. Monitoring it. Yeah, just this prints out, but I want it to, you know. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's just too much for me to handle, bro. My half asleep mind can't handle the sheesh. Man, oh man. Doesn't call it. I want to just print foo. If I use join, it can't do anything. Just need to do a while. For some fucking time. Okay, we have this. We have an input system. Okay, I want f to return some certain things here. So basically this is everything. I don't want to give it self because man, self on that, no, I don't think I can. So yeah, we have to use external force for this as well. Extra. No, not, no, not now. Wow. Oh, that's love. Okay, cool. Alt 3 is love. I could do some ASCII art using that. As well. Let's see what happens. 3 views, 1 like, 16 concurrent. I'm using 3 here. Why is it showing still? Oh, cause it's okay, cool. 16, 3 views. Hello. Hello. Let me take a break. 1. Yeah. Hello, hello. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay. Break time's over. Okay, let's focus, 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 focus. No bullshit. Okay. This is fine, fine, I don't care. I don't care about this. Let's fix it later. To do fine. Ooh. What's going on? Whoa, what the hell's going on? Fine, better way. More. Shit. That's crappy way of doing this. So basically I want F to have like get or something like that. Like a get thing. So I think we could just do this. Instead of a loop extra thing here, we can just get the string of whatever the hell is going on. So we add something like this. Wait, if I do this and then get a loop on some other thing, I mean if I listen to the .join and I have a loop on something else, does it still count as this? Can this actually happen? Because if I do join, this won't happen. So it waits for this. So join. I think it doesn't work like that. I mean, let's test that later, but let's not get on a tangent here first. So basically just the string result or key pressed. It's going to be something like this. X dot key pressed is going to be equals to this. Always going to be this. Because I don't know how to convert it. It's the easiest way I could convert it. Key press is going to be like this. Okay, cool. This should be good dot key pressed all dot. Oh wait. We need to create like a key press thing as well for this. So let's do something like this. Def get key. Let's just do get, because in context I think it would be easy to know. It's basically just return a key. Return x dot key get key pressed, which is whatever the hell that is. This should work. F dot key pressed get f dot get. Let's just f dot get. Let's just print this. Well, it should wait. It shouldn't really work, right? Yeah. Let's also print the string of the key as well, just to make sure this thing still works. Yep. So we can do while loop on this as well. Just printing out that. Okay. In this case, let's print out, instead of this, let's print out x.keyGet, key pressed, I mean. Let's see what happens there. Okay. KeyGet takes 0 position. All of them was given 1. Okay, it was given 1 apparently. So this happens to me before, and this was because the thing has no self on it. So maybe this will work. Keyget QC. Okay, it got it. But since this runs after that, after this, it's sort of worrying. So let's just do this. Should be the same. But it doesn't get it. Oh, it still doesn't get it. Okay. Yeah, that worries me. This happens first, even though fucking I think we should just start this without joining it. C. Okay, kill. Q. So this should stop. But I guess because of that, I think we should also. This has this as well, x.loop thing on it. I really think this should have like a self thing as well. So, but this can't. Because it doesn't stop. It doesn't. And also, if we want, we can't get loop. F.x. F only has like these couple of things. Well, the thing is, this shit doesn't really need to stop, so it returns just regular string, right? So if fget that, basically fget is fget equals, it's not equals to q, for example, then it should start. It should stop. Okay, so yeah, we should just do that, and it's better. Key input. Just change it to key input. Key input. Oops, not that. Not what I meant. Key input. Key input. Get. Okay, we'll just get that. Okay, cool. Q. Okay. This prints get like that. We can just store it later, and this we'll call defense thing. So basically, this can happen inside of the game loop itself. So this listens to everything, which is fine. Listens to everything while the game is running, and player move left, player move right, and stuff. OBS is connecting. How is that? It's not disconnecting. Anyways, like, and then this prerequisite of event. Let's just say it's events, or just triggers. It's not reconnecting. Yeah, cool. Triggers requires this, and then we need to pass it into, yeah, thank you, pass it into the layer system as well, and then the layers need also need and handling as well. Not handling, layers gonna be drawn, so we need a clear hierarchy of this so that shit just doesn't fucking mess up. So we'll have a main file. We'll have a main. Just do this. We have a main, right? This main includes probably layers. This basically we need draws. We just need the draw function for this. Or basically maybe just the draw stuff. Schmuck. I truly don't understand what I'm trying to do here, because I'm just doing this step by step. I'm not thinking about the future much because I don't really have a lot of experience in this department, but I do know that the inputs is necessary to give the arguments for any sort of you know, change, any sort of change that it gives like an argument of change. For example, the movement of players going right to left. Movement example, for example, is gonna get like example like player left, player coordinates. This will later on be fed into, of course, layers, and also this should be as well this player thing should also be involved in logics as well. Logic handler, whether or not this shit players could actually move there or not, and stuff. It's very confusing. It's very confusing to me, and it's someone who has like very little amount of spatial intellect or spatial recognition and whatever. This kind of sucks. This kind of stuff sucks for me, and I don't really understand it much, if at all. So yeah, let's keep doing it until I pass out or something. Trying to get it, please. So the next step would be figuring out what the next step should be, really, because after input I really get kind of lost on what should be done. Player left to right, this left to right, something like that. I know from experience of making this fucking game over and over and over again, there's definitely going to be a need for a central object that collects every single data, maybe the input stuff, maybe the layer stuff as well, and maybe there's going to be a like events as in, you know, the game events, for example, enemies and stuff. collision as well, logic, maybe positions. Yeah, this might be correlated to dungeon generators, dungeon gen. Should be like a center object that diffuses out to main or some other, like some shit that, you know, from the input it could affect layers, it could affect position as well, it could affect events as well, what happens as well, and this goes back again to layers, and you know, and based on that, should the input be correct or not, should this be correct or not, checks the position, you know, and then if the position is wrong, go to layers, write something. It's confused. It's gonna be confusing, but I think with this central object, we could call everything here, right? So from the input basically is the branch of everything, because this node right here, it's one way. So I think it's correct for us to do the input first, so that we can later focus on the other things as well that needs to actually coalesce with each other. And yeah, that's about right. Basically coalesce with each other, how it, you know. Oh, I actually wrote about this, about the object listener stuff. Could have just read about it. Not this one, fucker. This one. Damn. Oh, the arc parse. I did arc parse. I think I didn't do listener. Yeah, I should write about that. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Work quality, what? Page 11. I'm sorry. I'm just going to see what the hell's going on. Okay. Anyways, yeah. I think today's done, even though I spent like 3.5 hours on how long is this video already? Oh, for this. Well, it's only an hour and a half, not that much. It's basically me trying to figure out what the hell am I doing, because the grayer it is, the harder it is to know whether or not I'm doing the right thing or not. Just like last time, I was doing, you know, much more complicated things that I actually could have done. Yeah, much more complicated things than the things that I could have been doing, because I don't have like a clear plan to do it. I mean, to work on. So I think this is a good this is a good point right here. This is a good point. I actually get it, how this would probably work. It takes the input, for example, I get the inputs basically. This stays idle, we just get it, some like, yeah, just stays idle basically, listens to it, and it's gonna be like a while loop. This is going to be game loop, and inside this loop is going to be also going to have like a loops. This is going to be insanely nested, and it's gonna fit every single thing there is. I want though for it to have like a logic system to every single thing that could be scaled, because definitely going to be adding a lot more stuff, you know. If this weren't you know, if I know every single thing, right, every single tidbit of detail of this game, then maybe I could make it so that it's a little less scalable in ways that I could, write efficient, more better code that doesn't need this much object orientation, such that maybe I could make it faster. No, write it faster, make it a little bit faster as well. But since I'm, if I want to add some stuff, if I want to add this, if I want to add that, it's possible. Just figuring things out here, how it's going to work. I got the input done. All right, cool. What else? Maybe some kind of like if statements after the game starts, like menu, branches into this, game start, some options or whatever. Game starts. Just fucking, and then just story, whatever. No, maybe not story, I don't know. Basically making an engine here, which is, since, make all of this, basically everything is like an engine, except for this, like the drawer. Dude, I only made like 2 of this, like game engine-y type of stuff. Already tiring me out. See, I can't even speak, bro. Yeah, it's already tiring me out. I already spent like maybe 8 hours on this, so it's not that bad on my terms. There's a lot more talking. It's a lot more giving understanding to what I'm doing, because I actually think that, like, saying things instead of actually just doing it inside of your head, I actually understand it more now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's gonna be it for today, I think, because it's getting late. It's 12 a.m. right now. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully get some sort of inspiration from this. Yeah, they say it takes 10,000 hours to master something, and if I just started, then I'm like 9,998 hours short, which is better than 10,000 short, so it's great. I don't know what I'm mastering. Mastering logic, I don't know. Anyways, that's that. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Nope, not morning. Tomorrow I have class tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow evening. So maybe a little bit early. Look at this, right? Part 4. Probably be part like 25, 27, 28, 29, 30 until this game's actually done, but I'll stick to it until it's completely done. Okay, might be another project after that, but yeah, feels good. Bye bye.